Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Amazon gift card on Amazon Prime. So if you want to use your gift card on Prime, so simply what you can do, simply just add your card to your Amazon Pay. So for example, open up your Amazon and then log into your Amazon account and go to Amazon Pay, and then what we're going to do is just transfer our balance from our gift card to our Amazon Pay balance. So open up gift card, click on it. So once you click on gift card option here, then select add a gift card. So now here just plug in your gift card code and then add this balance to your Amazon Pay. So you'll have your Amazon balance topped up with your Amazon gift card. So once so now you have balance on your Amazon Pay that you have topped up. Simply you can now just go to your Amazon Prime, and then you can make any purchase or make any order, and then on the payment you can simply select Amazon Pay as the payment option. And since you have already topped up the Amazon Pay balance with your gift card balance, so you're all good to use it for any purchase on Amazon Prime. So that's how you can use your Amazon gift card on Amazon Prime. You just have to transfer it to your Amazon Pay, just transfer the balance. That's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.